I'm bloody sitting there shitting myself. There was a bang in the fucking kitchen. Stomach went over. Shit, you fucking Rudel. Fucking hell. These spirits, I tell you, they are fucking annoying. I know I'm looking old. I've got a stain on that tooth. I got a stain. I know, that's terrible. Who's gonna love me like this? I don't know. Yeah, shit, you fucking Rudel. I had a pop. A pop a doodle-oo. Fucking pop a doodle-oo. Oh, shit, you fucking, shit, you fucking Rudel. Oh, fucking scared now. What the fuck was that? I don't know. I'm a big man, and then this big man, she's shitty Rudel. She's fucking Rudel. Yeah. Fucking hell. Talk about a rude noodle. A Rudel noodle, a Rudel noodle. I had a Rudel noodle on the floor. Shit myself. You don't really notice, really. If I put my two teeth together like that, you don't notice, does it, now? That's like got some teeth, isn't it? Yeah. Little Melody. I shit my fucking Rudel. There was a pop outside. Oh, fucking, I shit my fucking. Oh, shit my fucking Rudel. Oh, scared. Oh, fucking hell. Talk about shit me fucking Rudel. Oh, man. That pop. Pop a diddle here. I'm going to laugh that. Oh. Huh? I'm alive. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Ooh, shit me fucking Rudel. There was a pop outside, yeah. Fucking made me jump out. Oh, my stomach's going over. Shit me fucking. Oh, anxiety. Anxiety kicks in. Depression kicks in. Nutty, madness kicks in. I don't give a rat's what I look like. Nah. They're all going to fall out eventually, so eventually they'll have a brand new set at the top, yeah, one day, yeah. So there was a pop in the kitchen, pop a doodle-oo, and I shit me fucking Rudel, yeah, I did, I had a Rudel on the floor, yeah. Anyway, you have a nice day. Happy Thursday to all the sexy babes on here who watches my channel, all the sexy babes, and all the handsome dudes, right? You know, dudes, right? But I like sexy ladies, right? All sexy ladies. Even women in their 60s that watch my videos, yeah. Women in their 60s that watch my videos, yeah. And 70s and 80s, right? You watch my videos because I am the king of rock and roll, what? Like this. Nah. I look funny.